I'm today in front of me Realme C25s and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate the Wi-Fi on your device, click once on the switcher here, and now I'll show you that here you can select one from this available network to connect to Wi-Fi. For example, we can go with this one. Here you should enter your password. I'll make it out of screen. And now just here you can, by click once on this eye icon, you can see your password to have no some mistakes, and then just click here to connect. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select another network. Just to do that, you should remove this network for the first, and then just by the same way select the network and click here just to enter the password and to connect. And just to turn it off, click here once again on the switcher. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first open your notification panel and just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the Wi-Fi icon, and just to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the icon, and here you will see the Wi-Fi networks and all of the networks that you just can connect to your network, to your device. And if you want to turn it off, click here again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.